to Cognitia Podcast.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cognitia Podcast. Happy 2025 to all our listeners and followers. We wish everyone a very happy and prosperous new year. As you already know, every week we get together to discuss the latest happenings, bust some myths, discuss new concepts and much more about emerging digital technologies. From cloud computing to DevOps, containers to ChatGPT, and project management to IT service management, we cover a little bit of everything weekly to inspire our listeners to learn something new, sharpen their skills, and advance in their careers. If you are a new listener, welcome to the podcast, and we can tell you it is going to be super fun. In today's episode, we discuss a very important new development in the tech world. NVIDIA has released a new at-home supercomputer. They have just revealed the Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit, a compelling new platform that boosts generative AI performance by a whopping 70% compared to the last version. This little powerhouse is packed with the latest tech and a ton of computing power, perfect for developers and hobbyists diving into training and fine-tuning generative AI tools, agents, and robots. Plus, if you already own a Jetson Orin NX or Orin Nano, there's a new software update that'll give you a performance boost too. So, what can this new NVIDIA Jetson Orin Super Developer Kit pack in it? Well, according to NVIDIA, the new developer kit packs quite a punch. It has a Jetson Orin Nano 8GB System on Module or SOM and a reference carrier board. It has an NVIDIA Ampere architecture GPU with Tensor cores and a 6-core ARM CPU. It performs at an impressive 67 INT8 TOPS or total operations per second, which is a whopping 70% performance increase over the previous version of the developer kit. The kit includes 102 GB per second of memory bandwidth, which is again an impressive 50% increase over the previous version of the kit. What's more, it runs at just 25 watts of power. It can support up to 4 cameras for computer vision applications, and it is priced at roughly half the price of the previous version. Now that's super impressive, isn't it? The mini supercomputer is also compatible with CUDA. As you already know, CUDA is NVIDIA's software layer for harnessing GPU together. It is also compatible with cuDNN, which is NVIDIA's library for building deep neural networks. The kit is designed to encourage developers to experiment with physical robots powered by generative AI. The kit is also compatible with the Jetson ecosystem of embedded computing boards. Developers who have the previous version of the developer kit, Jetson Orin NX and Orin Nano series of systems on modules, can access a software upgrade that would bring 1.7x generative AI performance to the kit. The NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit stands out as a game changer in the world of edge computing and AI development. Its compact form factor belies the immense power it packs, offering developers an unprecedented level of performance for generative AI tasks. With a significant boost in processing capabilities compared to its predecessor, this kit empowers developers to tackle complex AI models and applications with remarkable efficiency. This translates to faster training times, smoother executions of AI algorithms, and ultimately a more streamlined development process. For those looking to push the boundaries of AI at the edge, the Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit is undoubtedly the best new tool available. One of the most exciting aspects of the Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit is its potential to revolutionize robotics development, particularly in the realm of generative AI-powered robots. By providing a powerful and accessible platform, NVIDIA enables developers to imbue physical robots with advanced AI capabilities. Imagine robots that can not only perceive their environment but also generate creative solutions, adapt to new situations, and even interact with humans in more natural and intuitive ways. This kit provides the necessary horsepower to run sophisticated AI models directly on the robot, opening a world of possibilities for applications in fields like manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, and even creative arts. The Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit arrives at a pivotal moment, embracing the latest breakthroughs in generative AI and offering developers a comprehensive toolkit to explore this rapidly evolving field. It provides access to cutting-edge hardware, robust software tools, and a thriving ecosystem of resources, ensuring that developers have everything they need to bring their AI-powered visions to life. Whether it's training large language models, developing advanced computer vision systems, or creating intelligent robots, this kit offers the best of everything, empowering developers to shape the future of AI at the edge. NVIDIA has consistently demonstrated its position at the forefront of technological innovation, delivering groundbreaking advancements that have reshaped various industries. From revolutionizing graphics processing with its GPUs to pioneering advancements in AI and high-performing computing, NVIDIA has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. The company's commitment to research and development has resulted in a continuous stream of innovative products and technologies that empower developers, researchers, and business alike. The Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit is a testament to this ongoing dedication, representing yet another significant leap forward and solidifying NVIDIA's role as a driving force in the world of AI and edge computing. What are your thoughts about this new kit? Any plans of getting the kit and building any cool new robots? If you do, don't forget to share about it and tag us. We would love to hear your stories. With that, we come to the end of this week's episode of the Cognitia podcast. Thank you for listening to us. If you enjoyed today's episode, share it with your friends, and if you could, please leave us a review on whichever platform you are listening to us on. It would help us immensely. We will be back again next week with another interesting and exciting new episode of your favorite Cognitia podcast. Once again, we wish all of you a happy 2025. May all of you have a very successful and happy new year. Until we meet again, happy learning.